Let's play a game for lunch treat. Loser treats winner for lunch. Here we are at Kenny Rogers' Roaster. The most selling is roasted quarter chicken meal.
Got the kick.
Roasted quarter meal comes with 2 choices of side dishes. We prefer to choose the best selling meals and drinks too. Our order costs $32.60. Pricey, but it's okay. Having belanjaa. Our meals were served just after a few minutes. The service is really good. We love the drinks, especially mojito. So refreshing.